tomorrow is a celebration of a ceremony between Shiraz, which is a birthday of 8 Imam in Shiraz. His grave and his shrine is in Iran. And in Shiraz and all around Iran, they're celebrating. Everything is lively, people are alive, going around. And today's weekend as well.
I'm looking for the bottle. It's not the right one, this one's empty.
Very good. Very good.
Really good.
Guys, you know Kurosh? We don't know Kurosh. Our friend from Shiraz. Hey.
Welcome to Shiraz.
Thank you.
It's great to see you guys. Not you guys, these guys.
And you
Hope to see you guys soon. Come to Shiraz soon. Hope to see you.
Really good.
Dance, good temperature, nice lighting.
Yes, you can stand there.
Yeah, take a picture with me now. Yes. Good, good. Which one is better? Those guys or these two guys? These three guys.
I think this girl.
This girl.
Yes.
This
Picture $1.
That's the way the people 7 years ago, 60 years ago, 80 years ago used to dress. You know, it's a symbol of the man. It's like a man. I'm a man.
I like it.
You need that.
For the feet, yeah?
It's true?
Yeah, true.
Why together with the spice?
Good question. Wow, this is so beautiful. Look how colorful this is spice. Hey.
This is 7 spice. Miami have ideas. This have 28.
28 spices together. Hey.
So spicy. Stew. Shiraz, Vakil Bazar. Santur section.
Lovely. We got free offerings. They're giving lemonade here. The offering. The volunteers are working here. Nice. Cheers. Hey. Good question. We're standing in front of Hafez Thomb, which was the famous poem of 700 years ago.
It feels different.
Yeah.
Some people come here, you know, they just close their eyes and they just feel the vibe.
Iranian Turkish, but I live in Tehran, and so she's my mom, and I come here to
Hey, hello.
and Hafez, big personality in Iranian Street.
Uh-huh.
He had a lot of. She's a Hafez Thomb.
Uh-huh.
You know, she can told all of the sentence from Quran.
Uh-huh.
And the man you see here, you can take him the follow Hafez, and I take it.
Oh, you took it, yeah? This instrument.
This is called Santur.
Santur.
Iranian traditional musical instrument. This is acoustic.
Yeah.
There's no need for amplification. That's the way it's played. That's the way it sounds.
Yeah, it's a special radio sound. And Kurush is a good musician, by the way. He's a good guitarist. He's carrying our baby for us today. Yeah, the ukulele, the harmonica. Thank you so much for taking care of them. How do you speak such a good English?
I started learning English when I was 9, 10 mostly. And then I took some courses for like a year and a half. Then, for my speaking part, I did it for like at YouTube mostly, watch interviews.
That's my way.
Oh, so nice. Yeah, it's impressive.
You're about 16 or 17.
I'm 15. Turning 16 in October.
So he's half of my age. 15, about half and a tree is carved.
Oh, it's a real tree, yeah?
It used to be a tree.
Wow. Crazy. Yeah, it's a real tree, yeah? Such a nice carving they did here.
Street. The street was not a real street. It used to be a place like a river. Then the main street was right under this gate. So the cars would pass here until like 20 years ago.
I see.
And then they just covered the whole river.
Beautiful. I love it. And look down here. Those people are picnic.
What's happening? Down.
So entertaining.
Hello.